Julian, why am I tied to a stick?
To trigger any explosives Carl might have set for me.
Oh, yay! I'm a sacrifice!
Now, what do you tell yourself when you're having impulses to throw yourself off a bridge? Yeet. No.
You will commit a crime in 3 minutes.
It's pretty direct.
Right? What does yours say?
Mine says, you will witness a crime in 3 minutes.
Jeremy, what is yours?
You will die in 3 minutes.
Get away. Back! Back! Disease! Get back. Stay away.
Did you have a good day? Yeah. No, shut up. A good day? Yes. No, shut up. You're supposed to have taken him to the spa. I took him to the spa. He put me in the vegetable steamer. It's the same thing. The same thing it is too. It gets hot and then it gets steamy and then it goes ding.